What is up, guys? Andrew with No Excuses TV here, and today we are going to finally get to test out this 40-watt flexible solar panel from FlexSolar. So I got this about a week ago. It's been super cloudy. Excited to take it out now it's finally sunny, test it out, kind of see what all stuff it can charge up, how we're going to use it, and we'll talk about what we've been using in comparison to this. So let's get out. Let's go test this thing up.
This thing has. So it had on the back where your plug-in is, it's got standard USB and then USB Type-C, which is becoming the standard, and it really should be, but it's popping up. Then you have a DC output. So the biggest thing that I thought that I need to figure out how to do, and haven't done it yet, is to figure out how to attach this one or couple it with like the existing solar panels that I have to maybe increase. So when you compare that 7 watts that we have been using, now having the ability to access 40 watts, it's almost, it's a ton, so much more, almost 6 times more power from a little bit larger. So size-wise, think of this like a sheet of paper almost, because it's about 8.5 by 8.5 by 11. With us, we need the amount of power because we're charging a lot of stuff when we're in backpacking, when we're on these backpacking and hiking trips. We are charging headlamps, we're charging our weather radio, we are charging the Goal Zero battery pack, which I said earlier that we need to kind of replace. But we're also going to be charging that drone, our drone controller, our battery packs for our cameras, our GoPro. We're charging so much stuff that the extra weight that we get from carrying this flexible solar panel is just standard, right? Now, I've never been a person or a camper who's like ultralight. That's a completely different type of backpacking that I just don't, not that I wouldn't enjoy it, but that's just not the kind of camper and backpacker I am. I'm not a big luxury kind of person. Like, I have to have it in glamping and all that stuff, but I enjoy it all. Like, I enjoy being able to charge my phone, take the GoPro. I like the photography and videography part of it, and this helps to make sure that that is something that stays with us as we're doing all our backpacking. Now, I'm a bigger guy, and so typically my packs are a lot larger, and I don't have any trouble carrying those packs, even for short trips. Like, I can do a 30-pound pack when I'm just taking it out for the weekend. That's not that big of a pack for me. I can carry it without any issues. And so when I add this to it, whenever I do all the numbers and stuff that I want to carry and take stuff, this fits right into it. So the extra weight is not something that I don't freak out about. But the extra power is something I freak out about. It was pretty impressive, like how quickly. I mean, obviously you just unfold it. It's got a couple straps here where you could hook. It came with some Carabiners. You could hook it to your Jeep, hook it to your tent. Basically, anytime that you're setting up your camp, this is when you're going to deploy